This is episode 8, part 2. In this part, we'll be looking at Qualcomm. This is a company we found after going through FinViz into the tech sector in the weekend research of episode 7. I had 2 successful trades with Qualcomm, one in the pre-market, one during normal hours. And before we get started, I wanted to zoom out and looking at this the day after I traded, I have a fresh set of eyes. So hopefully I can find something that I missed. And from the day chart, we can see these long-term trends on the MACD working its way up. Moving averages just crossed over, but still negative. So in my mind, that would just mean in general, like I wouldn't want to swing trade this quite yet or long-term trade it. But with that crossover, there might be some day trading opportunities on the smaller time frame. In general, since February, about March, for the last a year, I guess now, it's been trading in this channel between 152 and 175, and for a month, it's been hovering near the bottom of the channel. I think we caught it on FinViz, probably in the channel pattern filter or in the strong channel filter. Day before, saw this fat green candlestick, saw the crossover, expected it to go up again, and then got the trade. So yeah, zoom back out. Just want to make sure I didn't miss anything here. It is negative, but there is a crossover. Could jump down to the 30-minute. Alright, so this is still the channel. You can see it's been hanging out in the lower half of it. During open, there was this massive jump up, and I don't know if I wasn't paying attention or if looking now on the chart. So we've got EDT here, and then I'm going to show you my Robinhood trades actually. See CDT. I think I messed the hour of the day up. But yeah, you can see here, this was my first Qualcomm trade in the pre-market. 831 bought in, 834 sold, because it showed me how many I bought and what was the cost, but for some reason the average cost was like blurred out, and I thought the app was malfunctioning, so I tried to sell in case something bad was happening, and I somehow still got out of a profit. It's weird. But then the next trade that I did, you can see here, this is intentional from 9:18 to 10:18. So I think I would set that up right on here. This first trade was within this red candlestick of the pre-market. My second trade was purchased on this arrow here and sold on this one here, or at least for this time frame, 30-minute candlesticks. You can see on the 30-minute time frame, actually let's check one more time. So from the day, we've got the crossover. Let's go to the hour. At that time, for the second trade, it's still in the same candlestick, but on the hour, we just got a crossover. MACD is positive, so looks good there when I bought in. Alright, in the 30-minute, positive, big gap, upward trend, RSI is positive. If I pull this down a little bit, you can see there's a big push up there. There's actually a wick at the bottom too. So it had come down and then big push back up and then settled right there. Next candlestick settled there too. Nice little hammer top though, and that should have signaled some resistance possibly. But then there was the pump, and I got out on the pump. So 30-minute, when I bought in, looks good. I don't think it breaks my rules. Positive MACD, everything's good there. If we go down to 15-minute, so bought in here, same thing, positive upward trend, strong RSI, fat candlestick up. I like the 15-minute. 5, Where did I buy in at? Alright, so it's starting to slow down, which is fine. Still positive though, still trending up. RSI still strong. It had settled off for quite a few minutes here now, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. It's been about 30 minutes since the morning pump. So I think in the volatility here, look at down, up, a little bit up, down, up. So it's starting to cool off. That's all right with me. I'll come down to 3 minute. What's that look like? Right. So it's still at the top, positive, but staying flat. And if there was support resistance there, it caught it, it looked like. Go down to the minute. There we go. Alright, this looks good. So on the minute, getting in, it's breaking over the middle of the Bollinger Band. This trend line is coming down, but that's just cooling off back to the no deviation from its moving average. So it basically just means it's cooling off. Coming down doesn't mean it's going into a negative trend until it's below negative MACD. So had the pop, that's nice. And you would expect after this pump for it to cool down and probably a bounce here. I wouldn't really know what was going to happen from that moment forward, but I was able to get out here. Was there a better time to get out? Where did the day end here? I don't think so. And is that right time? 11:18 Eastern, 10:18 Central. Yeah, that's right. I played that perfectly. That's crazy. But I bought in a little early, I think, actually. I could have bought in here and maybe got the same. It would have been tough, and let's see if there would have been less reasons to buy in. Maybe like right there, if I would have got lucky. So the 1 minute candle is negative MACD and 15's below 30. I wouldn't have been happy with that. Where was it? Like here? Downward trending, and pretty far gap. Now, I don't think I would have been happy with buying in there. I don't know if there's a better range to look at to have signaled. Well, maybe this 15 looks good. I could have bought in here on the 15. It's a positive MACD, 15 above the 30, strong RSI, 5 minute. No, it's already going down and crossing over. Yeah, so for trading this day, the 15-minute chart during that trade would have been the most ideal to look at, but I was looking at the minute because I'm trying to pay attention. Okay, so that, how has it gone since then? It's been pretty stable. Today's the 26th. You can see I'm recording this way after I've done the trade. Alright, well, I think that's good. I got a lot to discuss in episode 9. So I'm going to start preparing for that. We'll cut this one short. I know we had the extra 15 minutes on episode 7 as well. But yeah, everything went well with the research before planning. Was able to pick out the companies I wanted to trade, the crypto that I wanted to trade. Got successful trades on them, stuck to the plan, and yeah, if I can continue to do this and feel confident enough to use a larger investment, then the same amount of effort is going to start paying more than my job ever did. So wish me luck. Thank you.